In today's lecture, we are going to learn mensuration part. So first of all, we will learn the formulas based on that. So we will first learn the questions and formulas from the cuboid. So what is cuboid? Cuboid is looking like this. So this is the diagram of cuboid, where length is nothing but your base and breadth is this and height is nothing but this part. Okay, so now suppose I want to calculate the surface area of cuboid, then the formula, suppose I want to calculate the surface area of cuboid, then formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Length into breadth, breadth into height, and length into height. Now for this, volume of cuboid is the product of length, breadth and height. And diagonal of cuboid is formula is L square plus B square plus H square, and then we have to take the square root of this. Now second formula based on the cone. So cone is looking like this. So this is ice cream type of cone. Now the curved surface, if I want to calculate for the area of cone, then the formula is pi r L. And what is L? L is nothing but length and R is nothing but radius. Okay, so this is R and this is your L, length. This is your length. Now cylinder. So for the cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. So cylinder is looking like this. So what is R? R is nothing but the radius of this cylinder and H is nothing but height of this cylinder, right? So pi R, 2 pi RH is the curved surface area of cylinder. Based on these formulas, we are going to learn first problem. So example 1, find the surface area of a cuboid of dimension 26 centimeter, then 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Okay, the question is find the surface area of cuboid. So here given, what are the given thing? So here first given is this is what? This is length. So L is nothing but 26 centimeter, right? And what is B? Breadth is nothing but your 20 centimeter, correct? And height. Height is nothing but what? 12 centimeter. So these are the given things. Now we will find out what is the surface area. So surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. What is the formula? Surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, so substitute all the values. So 2 into, what is L? L is nothing but 26. So 26 into B. B is 20 plus. Now B is 20 and H is what? 12 plus. What is L? L is 26 into H, which is 12. Correct? Now we will simplify this. So this is equal to 2 into, what is 26 into 2? So 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4 and plus 1 5. So 520. Correct? So 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 520, 26 into 20 plus 20 into 12, which is 240. Correct? And plus 12 into 26. So what is this? 12 6 are 72, correct? And 12 2s are 24 and 7. 24 plus 7. Kitna? 31, right? So 312. So what is this? 2 into, what is this addition? 520 plus 240 plus 312. So here if you add this, so if you add this, you will get 1072. Okay, and 2 times this means that you will get 2144, right? And since we are finding the area, so we have to write square centimeter. Okay, so surface area of cuboid when the dimension is given by 26, 20 and 12 centimeter is 2144 square centimeter. Now we will solve the second problem. So what is the second problem? Second problem says that the length, breadth and height of cuboid So in the second problem, we will solve the second problem. Second problem says that length, breadth and height of the cuboid are 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Then find the total surface area. Okay. So here we need a total surface area means surface area of cuboid. Again, total surface area means surface area of cuboid. Okay. So here again, what is L? Length is given is 8 centimeter, right? What is breadth? Breadth is 11 centimeter. And what is height? Height is 15 centimeter. Okay. Now, what is surface area? So, surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this is equal to 2 into what is L? L is 8 into B is 11. What is this? 8 into 11 plus what is B? B is 11. What is H? H is 15. Correct? Plus what is L? L is 8 and what is H? H is 15. Now we will solve this first. So what is 8 into 11? 88 plus 11 into 15. So 11 5s are 55. 11 1s are 11 plus 5. What is this? 11 plus 5. 16. Correct? Plus 15 into 8 which is 120. Correct? So if you simplify this, you will get answer is 746. Okay? So you will get 746 square centimeter. So if you add this and multiply, you will get 746 square centimeter is surface area of this cuboid. Okay? So based on the cuboid, I have solved the two problems. If you like this video, then please subscribe, share and comment on video. Thank you.